Hello everyone and welcome to Akshara Calligraphy. Today I have a really fun video planned for you all. It is the review of Factor Notes 2021 planner. So there are 6 to 7 different designs. The one I have says step by step, day by day 2021, and we'll be going over what are the features of this which I like, what I don't like, and most importantly, have fun while trying out new stationery. So let's get into it. The inside pages are just as beautiful as the outside cover. It's full of colored pages with a very glossy finish. The first page, when you open the planner, is a place for you to write your name, and you can add or draw a little photo of yourself in your thumbnail space. The next page is my top 5 goals of the year. I love how they've also given guideline to help you set your goals. Next come the vision board and mind map. Plenty of space for you to design your dreams. The next spread, my favorite quotes, is one of my favorite ones, and it's followed by days to remember, where you can fill up all the birthdays and appointments. This is followed by a detailed my improvement plans covering all of the aspects of your life: body, mind, relationships, and work. Continuing on your self-reflection journey, it includes a letter to my future self and a number of prompts for you to realize things about yourself, to find areas of improvement, and improve just a little more this year. This is followed by my meal plan. I would have preferred this to be more of a monthly spread because in India our diet really changes a lot with the weather. But with that being said, I love how they have given an ideal day and ideal week in 2021 so that you can set your priorities for the year straight ahead. Next is the very colorful calendar for 2021. You also have enough space on the right if you want to plan any events or organize your appointments. The best part of this planner are these colorful monthly covers. I'll show you all of them, but first let's see what monthly spreads we have. It starts with a monthly focus. It's a calendar for the whole month with ample space to write your appointments and notes. Next comes your budget planning and shopping list. The budget is very carefully divided into different categories. The shopping list spread consists of 2 different columns. It's like they want me to create a separate shopping list for my art supplies. Moving ahead, all the months have a fun activity inside of them. For January, it's Doodle. Each week has its own setup, as well as giving you enough space for you to plan out your daily activities. And now, as promised, let's see what the colorful covers for the months are. So right off the bat, first thing that I noticed about this planner was its cover. It has a very minimalistic and chic design. Also, it is a hardcover, means that it'll be much more durable than a regular notebook cover. The second thing that I noticed was, if you can see, there are 3 different bookmarks and they are of different colors, so you can color code your pages. So I can keep one in the weekly spread, one in the yearly calendar, and one I can keep in my budget planning or shopping list spread. It's a very wholesome planner, one that can fill all of your needs. After all the monthly tracker, it also has these lists of things that you did throughout the year. It's sort of a year in review, but it's designed in such a way that these lists and these prompts, it motivates you to track all the stuff you did. It also comes with a detailed travel list or designing your dream vacation where you want to go. So the way it really captures your whole life is pretty amazing. On the outside, it has these very sturdy elastic cover to hold your life in place, and to fill it with some fun and funny moments, it has these cute little illustrations in the end, followed by some empty dot grid pages for you to express yourself in. It also has a back flap filled with so many stickers. I can't just wait to use these. They are beautiful illustrations, so many inspiring words, and some daily use bullet journal stickers too. You can also store your sticky notes or extra papers in the back flap. Currently, there are amazing offers going on this planner, and you can also have a beautiful notebook with it. It's dot grid inside, and of course the Factor Notes quality. If you're interested in seeing a review of their dot grid journal, you can check it out on my Instagram. There are so many more exciting puzzles inside it. Do check it out for yourself. I'll link the planner in the description box below. Also, let me know what was your favorite part about this. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.